Hi there, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker from Cultivating the Learning. Today's video tutorial is on creating a new Google account. In your browser, you're going to need to go to accounts.google.com/signup. When you type that into your browser address bar, you're going to see this screen. I'm going to go over this screen first before we go to the live view. You're going to have to create or type in your first and last names. And then if you want a Gmail account, you can just choose a username here. Now, because there are millions of people in the world and some people who have your same name, your first request might already be taken. So Google will offer you modifications like years after your name or something like that. If you already have too many email accounts to check and you don't want one more email account, which is totally understandable. Maybe you've got a Comcast or an AT&T, or maybe you've got an old AOL or a Yahoo, whatever. You can click on this link right here. Use my current email instead. So when I click on that, you're going to see in the next screen, it will take the @Gmail away, and I can create, instead of having an additional email account, I'm going to create just a Google Drive, which I liken to a garage. And so now I have this storage chamber and I have access to all of the Google apps inside. All right. So then you're going to have to create a password and confirm it. This eyeball will let you see what you've typed, because at first it's just all asterisks. And that can be hard. So Google requires that you have at a minimum of 8 digits. They need to be letters and numbers, so alphanumeric, and you have to use one of the symbols that is you're going to get with the shift and then any of the number keys at the top of your keyboard. All right, so let's move on. I'm going to click on here now. And I've already pre-filled in a lot of this to save time. So right now it says @gmail.com. So I'm going to click here on this link, and now it goes empty. And the email that I'm going to use is one of my company emails. And I've already filled in my password, and now I'm going to hit the next button. When I hit the next button, it tells me that it's sending the a code to my email. This is the code that I want. And I'm going to hit verify. So now it asks me for a little bit more information. Now, you don't need to put your phone number in unless you plan on having your phone with you at all times, because you can use, if you forget your password, it will send you a text instead based on this phone number. So I like it because it protects me from other people who might have been looking over my shoulder at something I was doing. So I can put my phone number in there. I'm not going to do it just this once. You can put your birthday in here, and then you can put your gender. They tell you why they ask for it, and then you hit the next button and you're going to be all set.